Good morning, friends. Now I am going to present you a video. This is a very important problem in our ellipse chapter. See, what is that one? See, find the equation of the ellipse in standard form whose distance between foci is 2 and length of lattice rectum is 15 by 2. 15 by, okay. See, let me read the problem once again. Find the equation of the ellipse in standard form, okay, whose distance between the foci is 2. The distance between S dash is given to you. And the length of the lattice rectum, which means L dash is given. See, let me draw the figure. See, let it be our ellipse. This is our x dash, that is the major axis here, and y dash is the minor axis. These two are intersecting at a point center, and these coordinates are 0, 0, you know. And see, what is given solution? The distance between the foci, it means S is one side and S dash is another side of the foci. See, the distance between these two, S dash is given to you. What is that one? 2. Actually, you know the coordinates of S dash. S equal to AE comma 0, S dash equal to minus AE comma 0. S dash, you know its length is equal to 2AE by using the distance between 2 points. See, S dash, if you know, see, I will write here, S dash equal to AE plus AE whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square under root. That is 2AE whole square, which is equal to 4A square E square under root, which is equal to 2AE. Okay, you can easily calculate the value. So the distance between S dash equal to 2AE. But the length of the distance between S dash is given to you. It is already 2. Or 2AE equal to, you cancel this one, then AE equal to 1. Okay, you keep it aside. And one more information is given to you. The length of the lattice rectum. You know the lattice rectum. Line segment, which is perpendicular to the axis and passing through the focus, or the focal chord perpendicular to the axis is lattice rectum. You know. See, now what is given? The length of the lattice rectum is given to you. What is the length of lattice rectum? Length of lattice rectum. You know, this is 2b square by a. This is formula we already proved. What is that one? It is given to 15 by 2. The length of the lattice rectum, this part, it is given to you, that is 15 by 2. Or implies 2b square equal to 15a by 2, or b square equal to 15a by 4. See, b square equal to 15a by 4. And actually, what is our standard form? Standard form of ellipse equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. See, we have to find the value of a square and b square to get the equation of the ellipse. How to find a square and b square value with this information? See, we have already b square equal to 15a by 4, but we have to find a. Okay, how to find? And already we know But we know b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. We substituted this one in the place of b square. What happened? B square equal to a square into 1 a square minus a square e square. Or b square equal to a square minus this one equal to ae whole square. Or a square minus, what is ae? Ae already we know, that is 1 square, or a square minus 1. A square value b square equal to a square minus 1. B square equal to a square minus 1. Already we have b square value, that is equal to 15a by 4. We substitute here. What happened? 15a by 4 equal to a square minus 1. Now cross multiplication. 4a square minus 4 equal to 15a, or 4a square minus 15a minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. So we have to solve. How to solve? I have to find the factors of minus 16. Minus 16. 4 into minus 4 equal to minus 16. Now we can write this one as 4a square minus 16a plus a minus 4. You know this one. Or you take common 4a, take common 4a into a minus 4. 4a square minus 16a. And here you take 1 common, this is a minus 4, which is equal to 0. Or a minus 4 into a minus 4 into 4a plus 1. 4a plus 1 equal to 0. Or a equal to 4, or a equal to minus 4, minus 1 by 4. Of course, this one does not, a equal to minus 4 does not exist. Does not exist. So we have a equal to 4. A equal to 4. Now, S implies a square equal to 60. Okay, now we have a square value. Now we have to find the b square value. B square, how can we get b square value? Use this one. Anything of this relation we can use. See, if you take this one, but b square equal to 15a by 4, or b square equal to 15 into a equal to 4 by 4, equal to 15. Now, the required equation equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. See, you write that one, you can get the answer. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is the standard form of the ellipse. You substitute here the values x square by what is a square? We have the a square value. A square means 16 to 4 square plus y square by b square 15 equal to 1. Or you can write this one as x square plus y square equal to, if you take LCM, what is LCM of 15 and 16? What is LCM? Or you can write this one into 15, 16 into 15 here. X square plus y square equal to 15 into 6 are 90, 24 I think. Is it correct? Okay. This is the equation of the ellipse. See, this is very important. What is given? See, first the distance between the foci is given to you, and the length of the lattice lat is given to you. Using this information, we solve this problem. This is the important problem. See, one more problem we will discuss. Of course, in the ellipse chapter, each and every problem is easy, but we have to remember the basic concepts. Whenever you have touch with or have an idea on basic concept, you can solve each and every problem in this chapter. They are very, very important. See, one more problem. See, find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse in standard form. See, in standard form such that the distance between foci is 8. The distance between foci is 8 and distance between the directrix is 32. See, once again go through the problem. Find the equation of the ellipse in standard form such that the distance between the foci is 8 and the distance between directrix is 32. See, in our previous problem, the distance between foci is given and the distance between the lattice rectum is given. There will be some change. See, draw a diagram for our convenience. See, to get a clear idea, try a rough diagram. See, this is x, this is x dash, this is our y and this is y dash, and this is C, center of the ellipse equal to 0, 0. Foci, this is first one, this is one, second one. Okay. And here, what is given to you? Lattice rectum is given in previous problem. See, in this problem, what is given? Directrix is given. See, this is the directrix, one side of the, this is the second side. Let it be some L equal to 0, this is L dash equal to 0. You know, these are intersecting the axis at Z and Z dash. Z and Z dash. Okay. See, what is given? Let the required standard form of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay. And what is given? The distance between the foci. So 2ae equal to 4, 8. 8ae equal to some 4. In previous problem, I showed this one, the distance between two foci equal to 2ae. Okay, no need of solving again. ae equal to 1. Okay. Next, what is given? The distance between the directrix is given to you. What is the distance between directrix? See, this is directrix. From here, this is a by e. We already solved. Here also, this is a by e. The distance between the two directrix equal to what happened? 2a distance between the directrix BI CR directrix equal to what is given here? 32 is given. See, our problem 2a by e equal to 32. 2a by e equal to 2a by e equal to 32. Or equal to a by e equal to 60. A by e equal to 60. See, keep it aside, let it be 1, let it be second equation. Now we have to find the equation of the ellipse in standard form. It means x square by a square plus y by y square by b square equal to 1 form. So to get that standard form, we have to find the a square and b square values. How to get a square and b square? Let us think. See, with this information, I have ae value and a by e value. The product of a and e, the division of a by e. See, I want that a square, b square value. Let me consider here 1 into 2. Let us multiply the first and the second equation. What happened here? ae into a by e equal to 4 into 60. Here e and e cancel. Here next to a square equal to 64 or a equal to 8. A equal to, we have A. Or no need of writing A, because we want A square only. So keep it A square equal to 64. Keep it aside. Okay, we have A square value. Now we have to find the B square value. But we have a relation B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square value. I proved this one while solving the standard equation of the ellipse. See, A square into 1 minus E. Well, you know the value of A square. 64 in, okay. Let me write like this. A square into 1, A square E square. Because we have AE value, that's why A square 64 minus, this is A square minus AE whole square, you can write. 64 minus AE value, where is AE? We have 4 square equal to 64 minus 16. What is the difference between 54 and 16? Okay, 14 minus 6 equal to 8. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. I think 48. B square equal to 48. So we have A square and B square value. Let us substitute these two values in our standard form. See, equation of required ellipse or equation of the standard form of the ellipse equal to x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1, or x square by, what is our A square? 64 plus y square by B square, where is B square? 48 equal to 1. So this is the equation of the ellipse. See, once again I will explain. Let me explain here. Here you take S dash is given to you. It is the distance between two foci given to you, and distance between the directrix is given. So you know the formula for directrix, distance between two formulas. Do distance is equal to A by E. With the help of AE and A by E, you can solve this problem easily. Okay. Thank you, students. This is, I hope you understood this problem. Okay. Thank you.